Discover the amazing Thainess of the North.
Explore Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son, a harmony of ancient culture and innovation.
It's built on STAR. Feel safely secure as you experience our rich arts and culture. See how technology sustains our old-top crafts, ensuring rights and inclusion for all. Your enriching journey to the heart of Thailand awaits. Safe, diverse, and unforgettable cultural experiences are here.
Come find your Northern Star. Hashtag Thainess. Hashtag Thailand Only. Sawasdee krab and good evening to all our listeners here on the evening like this from FM 98. You're now listening to Journey Through Thailand, which is a special program under the international project of the year 2026 here. This is episode 15 already, and we've been talking in many things like take you travel to many areas in the north, went to see the BC offices of tech and startup in Chiang Mai, to a quiet and serene Mae Hong Son and Lamphun, like that. So tonight we will pause that, just put it aside, but we're going up to the higher in the mountain. Of course, we are talking something more about the Highland voices. You might think of the mountain is just the place for holiday or maybe a scenic area for photo shootings. But in 2026, they are the secret to our success. My goal today is to show you that when we help our mountain communities grow, we will actually helping everyone in the city too. Now we are talking about sustainable development. Now it sounds like a big word. That's boring, sustainable, but it's actually very, very simple. It means growing our business and our city in the way that doesn't hurt the planet or the people living on it. It is about being fair, being smart. One of the big party that promote this is, of course, UN or United Nations. They have created to-do list for the whole world that called the SDGs. They are all together 17 goals, or this is SDGs are standing for Sustainable Development Goals. 17 goals altogether, but they are simple goals, okay? Like ending poverty, making sure that everyone has good job, protecting our forest, like that. And today I want to show you how our mountain friends are the leaders in the way to on this list. Think about our favorite cup morning coffee. Now people don't just want coffee that tastes good only, but what they want to know is beyond the flavor. It's identity. It's to share the care that they want to know about that the farmer who were paid in fair price or not, and the tree that grows that protected. So that's what I mean by sustainability. When the farmer is happy, the forest is healthy, then coffee is better. The business also lasts longer. So you see, this is like in game theory, you call win-win for all parties. But why this matters to you? Because now's the day. The world is watching. They're just watching. The companies and investors want to put their money that in the place where they follow to this goal. I mean SDGs. By working with our Highland neighbors, Chiang Mai will become a star student. But not only Chiang Mai, I would say Phra Nang, Phayao, our neighboring cities like our friends here that are working to like we have this sharing in same and common diversity. So we become the place that can consider as a star student. Is in the global economy, we are not just selling product, but we are selling a better way to doing things. So why is Happy Mountain Communities is the best partner for business in the city? So I would suggest that we stay tuned here on FM 98 until the end of these shows and continue. Because after this break, I will talk about how we are working together to make sure that everyone from the mountain tops to the city centers will win together.
Explore bustling markets adorned with the hues of traditional Lana textiles, each piece weaving stories passed down through generations. The Lana creative economy is a living museum, breathing new life into ancient practices.
From Yi Peng or Loi Krathong Festival to Pi Mai Mueang or Songkran Festival, the Lana creative economy thrives in joyous celebrations, honoring the region's unique identity.
It's not just commerce, it's a cultural celebration. Support local artists, cherish tradition, and be part of the Lana creative economy, where every creation is a tribute to the rich cultural mosaic of northern Thailand.
Join the celebrations, support local artists, embrace tradition, and be part of the Lana creative economy, where the past meets the present and creativity knows no bounds.
Welcome back. Now in my works every day here, like in the legal fields and also business advisors here, I see a lot of companies that trying to success. They like to grow fast. They like to get a big sales like that. But when you like to achieve something very quick like that, in 2026, the smartest way to grow your business is to make sure that your neighbor are growing with you. So which means that the ecosystem or environment is growing together with you. This is what the UN call the goals number 10, to reduce inequality. What does it mean to reduce inequality? In simple English terms of trying to explain in very easy word is means to make sure that the gap between big cities business and the small mountain villages will get smaller. So the gap getting smaller between people from different places or whether regardless of where they are. What we are talking here is we are walking away from the just giving a help or charity to build something real as like powerful partnership. Why this is so important for any businesses? Because our mountain friends are likely the security guard for our most important treasure, the water, our clean air, and also our beautiful forest. By working together, joint hands here, this is what UN call goal number 17 under the SDG as partnerships. That to make sure that our business are strong and people trust us, that will be growing together. Thinking about beautiful hands woven clothes or organic honey from the mountains. In the past, big company might just buy this very cheap or trying to get as cheap as possible and sell them for a lot more. But at the present time, we do it differently. The company and the village will join hands as partners. So company help with modern tools, finding customers for them, while the villagers cherish their traditional skills and high quality products. So this way that they will village will make more money to build better school, hospitals, and many facilities have a better like quality of life. So you see the gap is getting smaller, and this is reflecting to goal number 1, no poverty. And the business also get a unique product that customer love. Why? Because this business is honest. So we are even using new technology like blockchain. Blockchain is what? Just thinking about the diary, but in digital diary that nobody can erase. This show exactly where the product came from, and the workers are treated well. This is how we prove we are being fair. When customer in Europe or in America sees the products from Chiang Mai that helps mountain families have better life, they are happy to pay a little bit more for it. This is how we win the global market today. When everyone wins, business will last a lifetime, but it is not just only money, or not about money only. After the break, let's come back here and then talk more about the lunk of the knots and why protecting the trees is actually a great business move. You're now listening to A Journey Through Thailand with me, Tom Sukrit Krasasuk on 98 FM, Radio Thailand, Chiang Mai. Welcome back to A Journey Through Thailand with me, Tom Sukrit Krasasuk on 98 FM. I was visited the Medjam and Doi Intanon recently, like a few years ago, and you know what I found? I realized something that really important. When you are there, you realize it, that the forest is not just for a look, but it has its own functions, and they are like the lung or the giant lungs of our city, the mother of nature, that they give us fresh air we breathe and clean water that we drink here in Chiang Mai, underground water. And in present times, taking care of nature is not just hobby. It is more most important job that we have, and our mountain friends are expert that has already led this way for a long time. So this is what the UN has called goal number 13, climate actions, and goal number 15 is life on lands. For hundreds of years, the people living in the mountains have known how to live in harmony with trees. They are combining their own wisdom or their old wisdom with the new high-tech tools, and also like satellite that can spot forest fire from space to keep our home safe. Some might ask further questions that why it's good for business then. Let's think about this way. If the mountains are healthy, our city is safe. We are now seeing a new kind of investor coming to Chiang Mai. They aren't just looking for quick money, but they will want to help to protect the environment. When you support a project in the mountain, you are actually paying for a natural insurance. An example of keeping us safe, this is, imagine on our water supply during the dry season, because the mountain communities take care of the forest floor or the ground, the water stay clean and keep flowing down to lower lands, and of course that's where we live and the business are in the city. It isn't just being the nice, but it is a very smart strategy indeed. To help people in the highlands earn good living, we actually make sure that they have the times and tools to keep our lungs healthy in common. Nowadays, the biggest risk to any business is a bad environment. I'll agree with that with me. We have smoke or no water, or like what we are having a haze now here. The tourists won't come and shop. Will be closed. Of course, business down, no economy, just like being the whole time be slow. But by following the goal 15, which is life on land, we are actually building a green shield around Chiang Mai. we are moving from taking from nature to investing in nature. It is like putting money in nature bank, but the payment is paying back with fresh air every single day. Isn't it beautiful? So nature is our most valuable partner, really. But how do you actually make money by being green? Let's say after this break, I will give you my insider's tip on how to turn these gold deeds into successful business. You're now listening to A Journey Through Thailand with me, Tom Sukrit Krasasuk on 98 FM, Radio Thailand, Chiang Mai.
Explore bustling markets adorned with the hues of traditional Lana textiles, each piece weaving stories passed down through generations. The Lana creative economy is a living museum, breathing new life into ancient practices.
From Yi Peng or Loi Krathong Festival to Pi Mai Mueang or Songkran Festival, the Lana creative economy thrives in joyous celebrations, honoring the region's unique identity.
It's not just commerce, it's a cultural celebration. Support local artists, cherish tradition, and be part of the Lana creative economy, where every creation is a tribute to the rich cultural mosaic of northern Thailand.
Join the celebrations, support local artists, embrace tradition, and be part of the Lana creative economy, where the past meets the present and creativity knows no bounds.
Discover the amazing Thainess of the North.
Explore Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son, a harmony of ancient culture and innovation.
It's built on STAR. Feel safely secure as you experience our rich arts and culture. See how technology sustains our OTOP crafts, ensuring rights and inclusion for all. Your enriching journey to the heart of Thailand awaits. Safe, diverse, and unforgettable cultural experiences are here.
Come find your Northern Star. Hashtag Thainess. Hashtag Thailand only. Welcome back to A Journey Through Thailand with me, Tom Sukrit Krasasuk. Now, let's talk about the secret ingredients of our success. Is that something really secret on that? What I call as a tip, maybe sounds better here. In the world of business and law, we usually talk about profits and contracts, of course. But in 2026, there is a new way to win that I call the goodness bonus. Some people call it as the ESG, or fancy name for environment, social, and the governance, which is just a fancy way of saying that I call business here. This is being kind to the planet and its people. So here is my tip for you. In today's world, being kind is actually very profitable. Is it clear? Okay. Why does it work? Because today customers, especially for young customers, they are very smart, of course. They don't just buy the product because it's cheap, but they buy from companies that share their values. This is what you can call goal number 12 as responsible consumption. It means people want to feel good about where their money is going to. If you have any business, this is my insider tips. Whether it's small cafe, a tour company, or the big factory, trying to find a way to work with the mountain communities. When you do this, you will get a brand premium. That's just a business terms, meaning customers are often happy to pay a little bit more money because they trust you. You know what? In fact, business in the northern regions of Thailand that working closely with Highland villages are actually growing 15% faster. I call 15% faster than those that don't. So think about hotel in Chiang Mai. If they are using soap that made by mountain village or serve tea that grown in sustainable highland garden, they can call them that this is story for their guests. The guests will feel like they are helping the world just by standing there. This is make them want to come back and then actually tell their friends about it too. This is much better and actually cheaper than advertisements that you could buy. This is also help you to find investor too. People with big money to invest are looking for a safe business that take care of its communities and the environment is seen as safe bet because it's less likely to have problems later on. So by following the UN SDG, you are actually just are not just being a good person, but you are making your business attractive for investor from all over the world here. You're turning your kindness into a power magnet for success. So doing right things is the best shortcut for success, I would call. So we are almost the end of our trip today to the mountain. Let's stay with me here for another break, for the last break of this show. On next break, I will share with you about the simple to-do list to help you start your own journey with the mountains. You're now listening to A Journey Through Thailand on 98 FM, Radio Thailand, Chiang Mai.
Discover the amazing Thainess of the North.
Explore Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son, a harmony of ancient culture and innovation.
It's built on STAR. Feel safely secure as you experience our rich arts and culture. See how technology sustains our old top crafts, ensuring rights and inclusion for all. Your enriching journey to the heart of Thailand awaits. Safe, diverse, and unforgettable cultural experiences are here.
Come find your Northern Star. Hashtag Thainess. Hashtag Thailand only.
Escape to northern Thailand, a land of breathtaking beauty and ancient wonders. Explore the historic city of Chiang Mai with its magnificent temples and vibrant markets.
Journey to Lampang, where you can experience the charm of horse-drawn carriages and discover the unique Wat Phra That Lampang Luang.
Be amazed by the dazzling White Temple in Chiang Rai, a masterpiece of modern Buddhist art.
Immerse yourself in the rich culture of the Hill tribes with their colorful traditions and warm hospitality.
Northern Thailand, a journey for the soul.
Welcome back. How about the trips today? Now we have traveled up the mountain together today, and to see our future isn't just being about what happened in the city, right? But we also hearing and then learn about together that the Highland voices is actually the voices of a better, smarter world. By following this key point, which is to-do list of the UN or UN SDGs, which is 17 things, areas altogether. So we are not just checking box here, but when we are building homes where everyone has a fair chance and where our nature stay beautiful for our children and for our futures. That's to recap for we have been talking today and learned today that when we help the mountains, we get social fairness, which is fit to goal or UN's SDG goal number 10. And when we protect the forest, this is about climate safety, this goal number 13. And when we sell honest product, we get happy customers, goal 12. And in 2026, here, don't just want to be big, but want to be better. We are improving that when Highlands are happy, the city will be safe. If you want to be part of this exciting journey, here is a simple 3 steps roadmap to get you started. First, look at your business by asking yourself, how can I be kinder to the planet and to the people around me? And next is to find mountain partner, to look for Highland groups or the HRDI or Highland Research and Development Institutes. Don't just look for someone to buy from, but look for a partner to grow it. And lastly is support local. When you go shopping, look for the products that help our Highlands communities. Every baht you spend there is like putting money into a nurture bank that keeps the air that we breathe clean and allow water still flowing down to the city. So, of course, I hope this year bring you a strength of the mountains and happiness of a healthy forest. As your host for tonight's show, my name is Tom Sukrit Krasasuk. It's been episode 15, A Journey Through Thailand. Join me in the next episodes next time here. And this is the new roads. We'll be talking about the digital bridges that will be connect our northern homes to the whole world. So I hope this really gonna happen. And until then, lead with your heart, protect your trees, and grow together. So for this evening, I wish you all stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you at the top. Tom สุกฤต กระแสสุข สวัสดีครับ
Explore bustling markets adorned with the hues of traditional Lana textiles, each piece weaving stories passed down through generations. The Lana creative economy is a living museum, breathing new life into ancient practices.
From Yi Peng or Loi Krathong Festival to Pi Mai Mueang or Songkran Festival, the Lana creative economy thrives in joyous celebrations, honoring the region's unique identity.
It's not just commerce, it's a cultural celebration. Support local artists, cherish tradition, and be part of the Lana creative economy, where every creation is a tribute to the rich cultural mosaic of northern Thailand.
Join the celebrations, support local artists, embrace tradition, and be part of the Lana creative economy, where the past meets the present and creativity knows no bounds.
Discover the amazing Thainess of the North.
Explore Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son, a harmony of ancient culture and innovation.
It's built on STAR. Feel safely secure as you experience our rich arts and culture. See how technology sustains our OTOP crafts, ensuring rights and inclusion for all. Your enriching journey to the heart of Thailand awaits. Safe, diverse, and unforgettable cultural experiences are here.
Come find your Northern Star. Hashtag Thainess. Hashtag Thailand Only.
Explore bustling markets adorned with the hues of traditional Lana textiles, each piece weaving stories passed down through generations. The Lana creative economy is a living museum, breathing new life into ancient practices.
From Yipeng or Loi Krathong Festival to Pi Mai Mueang or Songkran Festival, the Lana creative economy thrives in joyous celebrations, honoring the region's unique identity.
It's not just commerce, it's a cultural celebration. Support local artists, cherish tradition, and be part of the Lana creative economy, where every creation is a tribute to the rich cultural mosaic of northern Thailand.
Join the celebrations, support local artists, embrace tradition, and be part of the Lana creative economy, where the past meets the present and creativity knows no bounds.